But really, where are we gonna find potable water?
Did you just say potable? Really?
Yes.
You're so bougie.
Ew. No,
Right here.
that is not potable.
You put some in a jug, a container, voila. Now it's potable. You can take it anywhere.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
I'm just saying. People survived in worse conditions. We can do it. Us versus the elements, man versus nature.
I'm just saying, okay? Why sleep in a tent and get attacked by a bear when you can stay in an RV? You can have Wi-Fi.
Air conditioning.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We can still enjoy nature and just don't have to be so exposed.
I'll protect you. Don't worry. Plus, I got my walking stick. I just think that. Oh shit! A bear! A bear!
You're such an asshole.
Let's get out of here. I'll protect you. Cold?
Yeah, we should close.
No. If you could be anywhere in the world, nothing holding you back, where would you be?
Anywhere? I want to go places far, far away. Maybe live there. Become the woman I always wanted to be.
Yeah.
I need to make some changes in my life, you know?
Maybe you should make those changes.
Maybe I will. What about you?
Where would I be if I could be anywhere in the world?
Mm-hmm.
Right here, with you.
You're such a smooth talker. I can get used to this.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You get used to your knees being so weak all the time.
Can't be alone with you for too long. I don't know what to believe anymore. If there's a God, then I don't believe he's listening. I don't. And then who do I pray to? Do I pray to my mom's God or my dad's God?
Different names for the same thing. The one thing you never have to question is this. This life is no coincidence. No matter what we call him, her, it, someone's out there watching us. This is either our heaven or our hell. Why not make the best of it?
I mean, that means we're literally just living day to day, and none of the rules matter. We're just living randomly.
Not randomly. Nothing is random. Everything happens for a reason. My lady.
In stillness, you can feel the planet shift. Every single movement is a catalyst for the world's next move. Reaction, balance. Everything living must die. Vibrancy and excitement will give way to the impending bleakness of the cold. The leaves will shrivel up and fall, making the descent down to their russet-colored death. The only anomaly in nature is man. What makes man special? Why does he feel that he can act in any disruptive way he desires without answering to nature? Alan Watts once said, if you go off into a far, far forest and get very quiet,
look into your eyes.
you'll come to understand that you're connected with everything.
Believe it.
Shut the fuck up! Angela? Angela? Shit. Where are you? Angela? Angela, let's just start over. Let's start from the beginning. It doesn't have to end like this. All at once, a fresher wind sweeps by and breaks my dream. And I am in the wilderness, alone.